Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you an amazing remedy to grow long and to thicken hair. If you do have hair fall, just spray this in your hair and your hair will grow super fast. You can grow new baby hair in your hair and you will get thick naturally hair, yet with very simple ingredients at home. The first ingredient we need to prepare this magical remedy is 1 onion, and we need to peel the onion like so. Cut the onion into small pieces. Like so, my friends. Now in a pan, place it into a pan like so. Now we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of rice, then add on it 1 teaspoon of cloves, add 1 full teaspoon of rosemary, now my friends, place on it 1 cup of water and boil it very well on the stove for around 5 minutes. Keep mixing and boiling on the stove for around 5 minutes, my friends, until all the ingredients get all its benefits into the water. After boil it on the stove, we need to strain it. Like so, my friends. Now we need to add on it a magical ingredient, which is half teaspoon of instant coffee. And instant coffee contains caffeine, which enhances the growth of your hair and will grow your hair to the point literally that you will need to cut it. It's super effective in growing long and thicken hair naturally. Now my friends, it's the best to use it by place it into a spray bottle and spray it on your hair, and my friends, the result will amaze you. It is super effective in growing long and thicken hair naturally without any side effects. It's all natural and it works. It gives an amazing result.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.